Hey everybody, it's Alex and Jackie from Top Guns here in Terre Haute, Indiana. So we had a viewer of ours want us to test out one of his personal guns. Heck, I don't even know the model. What is it?
This is actually the Grand Power P1 Ultra Mark 12.
So we're going to test this out as a first-time shooter or a guy that's been shooting for a while to see if it's really worth that $400 price point. So we're going to put a couple hundred rounds down range, shoot at our new bolt setup, shoot at our dummy, and give you our honest opinion.
All right guys, I will be shooting the P1 Ultra for the first time. This gun comes with two 15-round mags. It also has a 3.7-inch barrel, and I really like the front sight on it. It's red fiber optic, so I can pick it up really easily. Also, I'm a new shooter, so be easy on me.
Again, guys, I like this gun a lot. For a $400 gun, it's going to be, I think it's perfectly priced at $400. It's not a Glock, it's not an HK. Do I think it could compete with them? Yeah, in certain situations, certain markets, but really it's a great gun. Now, it does have a standard safety on it. It does not have a decocker on this model. Now, the enhancements that we were talking about. You do have fiber optics, you do have an enhanced mag release here. I don't know if the trigger is souped up. Honestly, I didn't do my research on it. But all in all, it's a great gun that we've had zero problems with all day. What are some pros, cons, something you liked about it right off the bat?
Honestly, the trigger pull is not as bad as I thought it was going to be, and the grip is decent.
So, this is a single and double action gun, guys. So, that first pull is going to be kind of heavy, as you can tell. It's going to be a nice heavy pull, and then after that, you're going to be in your single action style, or excuse me, your double action. Fun. I like it. I like this gun a lot, man. No hiccups through the whole test. Jackie, talk to me. Would this be a gun that you would spend $400 on?
Yeah, for sure.
I like the trigger a lot. Anything else you would bring up about it? We're not going to do a review, rate, and shoot here, but like a scale. Let's say 1 out of 10. What would you give it?
Probably about 8.
About an 8. I would too. I'd probably say that 7 or 8 area. This was really surprising. So guys, we got to check out the Grand Power P1 Ultra. Now I think for the value, this is phenomenal. So as a first-time shooter though, would this be worth the value?
I personally think so. With the grip and my hand size, I believe it's perfect. The fiber optic sights on the front, great. I can really pick it up with my eyes, and also the size just in general for a smaller person.
So it's a lot like a Glock 19. So again, you can't pick up a Gen 5 Glock 19 for around $400, especially with the enhancements that you're getting in this package. So overall, guys, I'm going to give this one a thumbs up. It's a great value. If you don't see this a lot in your local gun shop, I'm sure anywhere locally you can ask for it, and they might be able to get it through distribution. So thanks again, guys, for watching. If there's more guns that you guys want to bring in and let us check out for review, don't hesitate to do so, or comment down below on guns you want us to try out.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks, guys. A lucky client of ours, a viewer, wanted to check out the new gun today that I don't know the name of. My mouth is so dry, you don't even know.
I can spit in if you want.
Hey, it's not the beginning.
Hey!